Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now, we are embarking on a journey through the world of web hosting as we pit two major players against each other. Now, the question we're answering today is which one is the right web hosting partner for you? Because choosing a web hosting provider can be a bit overwhelming, but fear not, we are here to break down the differences between Ionos and Hostgator so you can make an informed decision tailored to your website needs. We're going to be exploring a range of factors from hosting services they offer to the performance of their servers, how user-friendly their platforms are, and the quality of customer support, pricing structures, and unique features that might tip the scales in your favor. So, let's begin. Now, Ionos and Hostgator are both popular web hosting providers, but they have some differences in terms of features, performance, and pricing. Now, they have a domains and SSL certificate, which you can take advantage in terms of the domains and hosting. They also have the cloud computing, which you might want to check because it offers an uncompromising cloud performance, an enterprise cloud computing engineered for simplicity and backed by expert support. Now, if you're interested, you might want to click on the try now button right here. But in terms of the products, Ionos offers a range of hosting solutions, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. They include a custom control panel or a cPanel, and their plans often come with a free domain for the first year. Okay, now let's check the prices. Because Ionos offers a range of hosting plans with varying prices. They might not have as many promotional discounts as Hostgator, but their regular prices are reasonable and decent, and most of the time are transparent. As you can see, for dedicated core, these are the corresponding prices for the vCPU. Okay, there's a lot for you to take into, but if you are more interested to dive deep into their process, I suggest you go here at ionos.com. So it's very transparent. What you see is what you get kind of thing here. It's a lot, but it keeps you on track if some of the features are important or a make or break kind of situation for you. Now, they have the business edition and the enterprise edition. Now, again, in terms of the customer support, they offer 24/7 through phone and email, and they don't have the chat, right? Now, some users have reported mixed experiences with their customer support. Although they have a 24/7 sysadmin support in German and English via telephone and email, they don't have the live chat support that Hostgator offers. And if it's not something that is ain't a big deal for you, so you might consider that. But in terms of comfortability and usability, I believe Hostgator has that slight edge in terms of the customer support. Okay, now when we dive into the next contender, and if you are a fan of this channel, you might want to check some of our comparison videos of Hostgator. Basically, Hostgator, I believe for the most part, they offer a reliable performance with good uptime and page loading speeds. They have multiple data centers to ensure stable hosting, and these are their services and features like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, e-commerce hosting, a dedicated hosting, and a VPS hosting, plus reseller hosting. Now, in terms of the customer support, when you hover down to the upper right, they offer 24/7 to help answer questions and solve your problems. The support is via these channels. You have the phone, ticket system, and the live chat. Now, the live chat, when you click on it, most of the time, It's very responsive and helpful. So while Ionos does not offer this kind of feature, and if you prefer a simple tool like this to help you navigate through the whole process, so it could be one of the HostGator's edge towards Ionos. Right now, in terms of pricing, I believe when you check on their pricing, basically HostGator is competitive, especially for shared hosting plans, because they often have promotions and discounts for new customers. As you can see, if you click on learn more, starting at only $1.99 per month, you can take advantage of these features: daily automatic backups, 1 gigabyte of storage, and up to 5 websites, unlimited databases, and unlimited files. And if you want to upgrade to a professional or a premium, it's up to you, which is the introductory offer is $8.99 only per month. And you have the access to these tools, which is the SSL certificate that can protect your website's traffic and show you're trustworthy. The site lock security, it can automatically detect and destroy malware to keep your site safe, and a code guard backup, which can prep against attacks or accidents with daily auto backups. Okay. Now, in summary, both HostGator and Ionos are reputable hosting providers, and your choice may depend on the specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as the type of hosting you require, the level of customer support you desire, and any specific features or freebies that are important to you. Additionally, comparing the pricing structures for the specific hosting plans you need can help you make an informed decision on your budget and goals. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.